Ömës sۭtۍ har geye khömës sۭtۍ گر karun. Ömës sۭtۍ har geye khömës sۭtۍ گر karun. To quarrel with the common people is like keeping house with a stupid, untaught person, which is basically a misery. This proverb is used to denote that it is better to stay away from some people. Ömës sۭtۍ har geye khömës sۭtۍ گر karun. Ami phokke chu dazan tsong te ami phokke chu gachan patte. Ami phokke chu dazan tsong te ami phokke chu gachan patte. With this blow of breath, the lamp is lit, and with this blow, it is extinguished as well. This proverb is used to denote that words emanating from the same mouth can be a blessing or a curse. Ami phokachu dazan tsung, te ami phokachu gachan patte. Yarbalan ch kutah nut futröymit. Yarbalan ch kutah nut futröymit. How many water pots this god has broken? This proverb is used to talk about a source of much evil. Yarbalan ch kutah nut futröymit. Amen goglan til zan firun. Amen goglan til zan firun. Like mixing oil with raw turnips. This phrase is used to talk about treasured wrath. The oil will not settle but runs all over and about the turnips. In this way, anger spreads over the breast of an unforgiving man. Amen goglan til zanfirun. Amen natan merl. Amen natan merl. A desire for raw flesh. This proverb is cited to a man who is impatient for his food and is quoted as a question. Amen natan merl.